I received this as a gift and I was super excited when they said that they were going to send it to me because I actually needed to wash my dog beds. So I waited until they got it to wash my dog beds, and here I am throwing the dog bed in. You can see just how gross it is. It looks all faded, but it's really just all the dirt. I actually already put a packet of the shedding Be Gone powder in the washing machine and forgot to film that part. I did actually end up adding a second one just because the beds were so bad. Usually I would vacuum before I would wash it, and I just threw it completely in. And here is me taking them out, and you can see just how well it took off the hair. Normally when I do this, you have like clumps of hair still like just flying off of the dog beds when you take them out of the washer, and there was none of that. Even the amount of hair that's in the drain part of it is like complete fraction of what normally is. And I did not do any prep work when I went to go wash these. So it definitely works. I would highly recommend it. Here's the video of the blanket that was in there. And then here is the picture of just the small little wad of hair.